Alright, man. It's been 7 days. Today is the 7th day. Last Sunday, had a fire up under the hood. We got everything replaced. I still got to get some things cleaned up, like the wiring down here. Got to get it back in the holder. Everything is back in the loom. Over here, got to get this little zip tie. And the only thing that's not hooked up right now is my tachometer, but not really important. Right now I'm just kind of going through it just to make sure I did everything. Got everything plugged up, touched up, grounded, you know what I mean? Whole 9-9. Got my hose connected back. Yeah, man, it look like we A1. I put some more antifreeze in it. It look like we A1. Let me grab that. Fire extinguisher. Nah, let me just grab that one. Just cause that one, oh, you can only use it once, right?
Oh, I thought you were going to use the other one.
With the house one? Nah, this one's the cheapest one, so I'll use this one. Got the fire extinguisher just in case. You know what I'm talking about? So, let's make it happen, man. 7 day. All right, when you start it, actually, hold on, let me get a flashlight. I gotta clean up the garage, man. Let me check something out real quick. It's a wire loom in the back. I just wanna make sure it ain't touching no headers. And it's not. All right. Everything plugged up. All right, put the key in ignition. Turn it, don't turn it over, just turn it on. All right, fuel pump on. Pump. All right, that's it. All right, turn it over. All right, everything looking good, everything sounding good. Let me check this oil real quick. Yeah, let me check this oil. Yeah, I had that one for a minute, man. It ain't no fun to drive it. That shit ain't nothing but like a little 4-cylinder. you already know I had to come up here again, man. Showtime. You already know what time it is. Alright, so in that fire, man, I messed up the kick down cable, so it's frozen. Got my man on it right now, on top of things. Look, when it happened, man, I was like, man, but these ain't gonna be blowed. They gotta see this car again for like the third time.
Yeah, I'm scared. I was like,
yeah, I was like, man. But I know one thing though, that thing it riding, and no leaks.
yeah.
No nothing. Everything else A1.
Yeah, I just popped it, do it on the. I got it free, but it's still
Still kind of jam.
Yeah, it dragging on. I ain't gonna mess with it. I'm just gonna put another one in there. Since it's cool, I might just go and do it right quick. I'm waiting on my band for the damn Ford transmission anyway. I'll take two right in the ground. Yep. That push up, we can go crank it.
Yeah, you can probably crank it and drag it. Man. You know what man talking about it's leaking. You got a leak. Ain't no damn leak, boy.
Yeah, me tripping.
Yeah, you talking about?
I ain't know what he was talking about. He said, hey, I got a customer out here. I'm like, customer? When did you start working?
Yeah, ain't no leaking.
You drink?
Ain't no drips, no nothing. Hey man, y'all make sure y'all come. All transmission. I mean, local, anything. They doing build. What's going on, man? You see what I'm saying? They doing it. Builds. They shipping out the whole nine. You know what I mean? Like I said before, man, ain't nobody touching this transmission but my man here. Nobody. It ain't leaking on the back side or nothing. I don't know where that come from, so. Look at that, man. I gotta get all this done. Fine shit everywhere, man. But yeah, man, stay tuned. We're gonna see what's popping. You did? Man, they ain't playing, man. Ain't playing at Showtime, you did? Own it. Got an issue and they own it. You already know what time it is, man. To pull up. And the missus in the building today. What's happening? You already know I got to. DJ made it in?
No, he on the way. I told him he won't be here at 9.
What you watching?
I be missing my baby. He loves about this, so I cut it on every
Man, they sit here and watch this thing for hours, man.
Hey, I asked the one day, I said, what is this?
I'm in my babysitting with the school.
My nephew watched that joint all day long. Crazy.
Go get it, call. Lord, have mercy, go get it.
Look, man.
Why?
Yeah, they take care of your butt here, man. Hey, man, just got that good news, man. They about to be doing the mechanic work up here. Hey, I just said it yesterday, man. I need him to become my mechanic, man. I just need him to do it all. Yeah, man. I know he know how to do it all, y'all. 'Cause he got his own projects. You know what I mean? My man doing it up. Then he take his time. You know, you can't find a better person, man. Hook it up. You did. So, you already know I'm bringing the SS. You know, oil change. Showtime. Hey, you need tire rotation. Showtime. That's all y'all gonna be doing? What else y'all gonna be doing?
I don't know. I'm putting it together.
Don't tell that man to go full
We trying
blown.
to put it all together. I got everything set in motion now. Just got to put my head together and kind of, put everything together.
Yeah.
But we coming. And so
Y'all heard it, man.
Y'all stay tuned for that.
Y'all heard it right there. Hey, that's out the boss lady mouth.
Yeah.
You feel me? So stay tuned.